Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to take a screenshot in your MacBook. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you looking for how to take a screenshot in your MacBook Air or MacBook Pro or almost all MacBook. So in order to do that, there is a very simple way to take a screenshot in your MacBook. In order to take a screenshot with using a keyboard shortcut key, you can use in your keyboard Shift, Command and 3. So this will take automatically screenshot in your tired screen. For example, I am in this screen and I would like to take a screenshot this tired screen. So what you have to do, you need to click in your keyboard Shift, Command and 3, and that's going to be immediately take a screenshot and it's going to be saved in your targeted location. If I go in my desktop, we'll see just now I had took this is the screenshot and this is the second screenshot. So within this simple way you can easily take a screenshot trial screen in your MacBook Air or almost all MacBook. Now you might be looking for how to take a screenshot in your MacBook with a selected area. So in order to do that, for example, I open here a Google tab and now I would like to take a screenshot in this area. So what you have to do, you need to click in your keyboard Shift, Command and 4, and it will give you an icon just like this, and now you can select the area you want to take a screenshot. So I would like to take a screenshot in this particular area, so I choose this particular area and that's going to be automatically take a screenshot and it's going to be saved in my targeted location. You can see just now I had selected and that particular area is take a screenshot separately, which is quite interesting. So this is the second way. Also there is another option you can use screenshot tools to take a screen a different way. For that you need to click in your keyboard shortcut Shift, Command and 5, and then you will see a screen icon going to appear here. You can choose here. There is a bunch of way to take a screenshot by using these screenshot tools. You can take a screenshot by capture entire screen, or you can choose here capture selected with screen or capture selected pattern. For example, I open this Google tab and I would like to take a screenshot in this screen. So what you have to do, again let me click in my keyboard Shift, Command and 5 key, and it's going to be appear this screen, and now I'm going to using this capture select window, and now if I bring here, it's this camera icon is appear here. So this is a selected window. So if you want to take a screenshot in this selected window, you can click here and that's going to be automatically take a screenshot and it's going to be saved in your targeted location. So for example, this is just now I had take a screenshot in that particular tab. So within this simple way you can easily take a screenshot in your MacBook Air, MacBook Pro or almost all MacBook. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.